Alright, y'all. Here's a range of Fluke True-RMS meters over the years from the early 80s to mid 2000s on my vintage meters. Fluke 8060A True-RMS. Fluke 76 True-RMS. Fluke 79 Series 3 True-RMS. Fluke 87.3 True-RMS. Fluke 189 True-RMS. And they all basically agreeing. 79.3 in the middle there. No, it don't need adjustment. It's good. But alright. Here's body styles of True-RMS meters over the years. The beginning. Next. Then this turned into that. Then this one. So there you go. Alright, y'all. Fluke meters over the years. True-RMS. Y'all have a good one.